Imagine this. A decade ago, colossal machines glided through America's endless fields, transforming seemingly impossible harvests into reality. But how exactly did they do it? Welcome to a journey exploring how American agriculture operated 10 years ago, a world where technology and farming practices were on the cusp of reshaping global food production. Our journey begins in Texas, where vast cotton fields stretched endlessly in 2011. There, cotton harvesting machines, while familiar in appearance, were beginning to reveal incredible potential. The magic wasn't in their looks, but hidden deep within their working capabilities. Consider this. 10 years ago, 7.7 million acres dedicated to cotton yielded 5.1 million bales, a number challenged by severe drought. But just a decade later, with cultivation area reduced to 5.3 million acres, production surged to 7.7 million bales. This isn't just numerical growth, it's a testament to a quiet revolution in productivity, where every square meter of land and every machine tells a story of continuous progress. Moving to Michigan in 2013, we witnessed the Sugarbeet harvest, a process where, even though the machines look familiar, their efficiency has soared. Think about it. The same type of machinery, yet harvesting productivity increased by about 25% in just a decade. In 2013, 147,000 acres yielded 3.9 million tons of beets. 8 years later, on 167,000 acres, that figure reached 5.7 million tons, an astonishing 68% jump. It's no surprise that Michigan has solidified its position as a giant in sugar beet production, with billions of pounds entering the market each year, contributing significantly to the nation's agriculture. Now, let California's sunshine guide us to Alexander Valley in 2010, where billions of grapes await harvest. Interestingly, despite the passage of time, the grape harvest scene here retains a surprisingly traditional character. Thousands of workers from Mexico still diligently toil in the vineyards, as if time only increases the value of their labor. Perhaps the most significant change is the recognition they've received. The wages of grape pickers have doubled from $13 per hour in 2010. Concurrently, vineyard acreage has expanded spectacularly from 531,000 acres to 881,000 acres by 2022, cementing California's almost unchallenged position in the nation's grape production. Arriving in Louisiana in 2013, we'll witness a vast sea of sugarcane ready for harvest. This is where technological advancements have made a clear difference. Sugarcane acreage increased from 409,000 acres to 493,000 acres by 2021. But what's truly impressive is that modern sugarcane harvesters can work up to 2.3 times faster than a decade ago. As a result, Louisiana's sugarcane production grew from 13.1 million tons in 2013 to 16.9 million tons in 2021. Although national sugarcane acreage hasn't dramatically increased, U.S. sugarcane production maintains a steady 4% annual growth, a clear testament to optimized productivity, both in the fields and in modern sugar mills. Returning to Texas in 2011, we'll explore how onions are brought in from vast fields. From 13,000 acres in 2011, this area expanded to 17,000 acres by 2022. However, the interesting difference lies in the harvesting process compared to California. While Texas quickly adopted machinery to handle most of the crop, in California, the skilled hands of workers from Mexico remain the dominant factor. Increasingly, small machines are only found on medium-sized farms. Larger farms now use advanced harvesting equipment, capable of working twice as efficiently, further accelerating the industrialization of agriculture. Next, let's explore two familiar root vegetables, cucumbers and carrots. In Florida in 2015, across sprawling cucumber fields, we'll see something interesting. Despite high market demand, cucumber acreage expanded from 17,000 to 21,000 acres by 2021. Harvesting methods remain almost unchanged. The machines, it seems, have reached a threshold of efficiency that is difficult to further improve. Similarly, on carrot farms in California in 2013, the story isn't much different. With stable acreage around 61,000 acres, harvesting machinery remains a reliable, old friend. However, we cannot fail to mention the thousands of immigrant laborers whose diligent hands contribute to 1.3 million tons of carrots each year, solidifying California's superior position in national carrot production. Welcome back. After a decade-long tour, let's now look at the bigger picture of American agriculture today. Let's admire how this colossal agricultural industry operates to supply billions of tons of food to the world. With staple crops like soybeans, corn, potatoes, wheat, sweet potatoes, and barley, the U.S. proudly stands as a food superpower. Notably, the nation imports only about 20% of its consumed food, demonstrating its self-sufficiency and large-scale production capability, sufficient to meet most domestic demand. Let's immerse ourselves in the bustling atmosphere of a Minnesota warehouse, where billions of soybeans are carefully prepared, marking the beginning of a new season. This is not just work, but a large-scale agricultural ritual taking place across 15 states, with Illinois, Iowa, and Minnesota as the main production centers. Once awakened, billions of seeds will be entrusted to colossal tractors, planting approximately 128,000 seeds per acre. In Minnesota alone, about 7.7 million acres are dedicated to soybeans annually, contributing to a national total of 88.3 million acres, a truly astonishing scale of production. Just 2 weeks after planting, tiny soybean sprouts emerge, ready for an 85-day journey to harvest. Soybeans, a relatively easy crop to grow, still require care. The farmer's task is a delicate balance of protecting the plants from weeds and fungi and ensuring adequate water supply, crucial factors for a bountiful harvest. And here, after more than 2 months of patient waiting, the soybean fields have turned a shimmering golden, signaling the approaching harvest. In Minnesota, especially in Waseca, Nobles, and Nicollet counties, the atmosphere becomes more vibrant than ever. Thousands of harvesting machines and a formidable workforce are ready to assault the vast sea of soybeans. In 2021, Minnesota proudly harvested 356 million bushels, equivalent to 21.3 billion pounds of soybeans. This figure contributes to an astonishing national total of 4.4 billion bushels. Illinois leads with 672 million bushels, and Iowa is not far behind with 494 million bushels. Soybeans are not just food. 79% become animal feed, with poultry as the largest customer. And let's not forget, the U.S. also exports 1.7 billion bushels of soybeans annually, bringing in $26 billion, solidifying its undeniable position on the global agricultural trade map. Heading to Michigan, we enter the world of corn, a crop that yields billions of bushels annually. In late April each year, colossal planting machines begin their task, gently placing 34,000 seeds into the soil per acre. In 2021, Michigan dedicated 2.25 million acres to corn, contributing to a national total of 96.3 million acres across the U.S., a truly overwhelming scale of cultivation. Just a month later, young corn plants have grown tall, beginning their journey of drinking approximately 600,000 gallons of water per acre over their 100 to 115-day lifespan. Iowa, with 12.9 million acres, proudly stands as the nation's corn capital, followed by Illinois with 11 million acres. After nearly 4 months of patience, the fields transform into a sea of golden corn, awaiting dozens of colossal machines and trucks to descend. With 15.1 billion bushels annually, the U.S. firmly holds its position as the world's largest corn producer, accounting for 34% of global production. Iowa, Illinois, and Nebraska lead in productivity. Interestingly, only 10% of corn is used for human food. The majority, 45%, becomes animal feed, and 44% is converted into ethanol, an important energy source, demonstrating the diversity of this crop's applications. Finally, let's head to Kansas, the wheat belt of America, where golden wheat fields sway happily in the June breeze. With 7.6 million acres, Kansas proudly holds the largest wheat acreage. Across the U.S., a total of 37.7 million acres are dedicated to wheat, yielding a colossal 1.65 billion bushels annually. After careful harvesting, these billions of bushels of wheat are continuously transported by specialized truck convoys to vast warehouses, ready for their journey to become food that nourishes millions. And that concludes our fascinating journey through a decade of American agriculture. A clear picture of farmer resilience, technological breakthroughs, and extraordinary production scale, all of which have shaped the agricultural industry we know today. If you found these stories truly captivating, If you want to continue exploring the hidden secrets behind the corn kernels, cotton fibers, or carrots on your dinner table, don't hesitate. Subscribe to the channel today to not miss any of our in-depth videos on the world of agriculture and technology. And what do you think? What surprised you most in this video? Or do you want us to dissect other crops or technologies? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your interaction motivates us to continue delivering the best quality content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, who also love discovering the greatness of modern agriculture. Together, we will continue to expand our vision of how the world is fed.